2, 1. Yo, what's up, guys? Dennis here from the Fundamental Monetary. I'm back again with another video. So today I want to touch on something that I've seen in the comments. People have been asking me about it. It's about the strategy that we use to trade. Okay, so if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, and then if you like the content that I post here, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Okay, it does help a lot, helps the channel grow. Okay, so guys, I saw your comments, and then today is the day that I'm going to answer to all of those that I could grab, and the ones that I could make a video out of. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about a strategy that we have it on the channel, but then today I just want to talk about it like maybe a little bit more in detail, or I think in this way people will be able to understand. So I'm gonna speak as slowly as possible for everybody to understand. Okay, so yeah, without wasting of time, let's get to the slides. As you can see, we are talking about Nasdaq 1530 trading strategy. Okay, so this 1530 in South Africa, I think is GM+2 or GM2 plus. I'm not sure, but then I'll just try and just put it on description, and then just to I'll check and then put it on description, because like I don't really know the times, but then like it happens in 1530 here in South Africa. Right, so let's get straight to this video. So for the strategy that I use, you need to have this app, investing.com. Okay, so this is the app that you need. So when you click on this app, as you can see here, it is loading. This is what you're gonna see when you open the app, and as it opens up, you'll see here, you'll come to markets, as you can see down here, markets. And then if you can check here, there's this little arrow up here pointing at indices. Okay, so you need this arrow to be pointing at indices for you to come and do what I want to tell you. Okay, so after, you're gonna go to this button and search. So there are a few things that you need to search. There are 5 things actually, and these are the determiners of the direction. Okay, they help us determine the direction. Right, so let's go to the next slide. Okay, so as you can see, we got like 5 things here. We got our Nasdaq. As you can see, I wrote key in this because this one is the leader of everything, because like we're trading Nasdaq, right? So we got Tesla, Amazon, Facebook, and Apple, as you can see down there, right? So these are the things that you have to search on the app. Okay, these are the things that you go and look at on the app. So I call call this one the key indices, because this is what we're trading, and then as for the rest, I call them the supporting indices. Okay, they are supporting indices. So what I mean is that they support Nasdaq, right? So if you have Nasdaq, okay, for this one I have to go to the next slide. Okay, so you just go and search these indices, okay, on the app. So what you're looking for as you search is the following, guys. Let me go to the next slide. Okay, as you can see, I searched Nasdaq, and then this Nasdaq index, as you can see here. And then what we are focusing on is the arrow, this arrow. As you can see, this is not pre-market. Okay, this arrow here. So as you can see, the arrow right now is green, which means we are buying. Okay, so we are expecting to buy at 1530. You understand? So to support our theory, we're gonna use the other indices, the ones that I called supporting indices, guys. So to confirm that it's a buy, we have to go to the other indices. They are the ones who's gonna guide us. Okay, so as you can see, this is arrow is green. When it's red, we sell, and then when it's green, we buy. Okay, this one signals a buy. Buy. Okay, this one. But if it's red, red means we are selling. Red is for sale. Red is for sale, guys. Red is okay. Red is for sale. I don't know what I was doing here. I cannot even type. Red is for sale. Okay. So as you can see, there is green, and then it means buy. So we go to the next one. We're gonna search Tesla, as you can see. So as you can see up here, I went on and searched Tesla, and then Tesla gave me. I found this. As you can see, Tesla Inc. As you can see, also this arrow is green. I'm sure you can see the arrows that I'm pointing at. I'm not pointing at pre-market. I'm not pointing at this. I'm pointing at this one here. Okay, that's the arrow that we are pointing at. Right, that's the one that we want. Okay, so as you can see, it is supporting Nasdaq. So we got a second, our first confirmation that is a buy. Okay, and then when we're done here, we go to the next one. Next slide. Which is Amazon. I searched Amazon here, and then I got Amazon here. When you click on it, it gave me this. As you can see, we have our third confirmation. Okay, our second confirmation that we are buying. As you can see, this is not pre-market. Pre-market is down here. So we're not checking at this arrow of pre-market. Okay, we're checking at this one. Right. So we got two other supporting indices supporting Nasdaq. So out of the 5, we have 2 supporting Nasdaq. Nasdaq is saying that it's a buy, and then we have 2 supporting Nasdaq. Okay, so the rest, they don't matter, or they don't matter, because now we have 2 supporting Nasdaq. Because like all in all, the indices are 5. Nasdaq is saying it's a buy. Amazon is saying a buy, and Tesla is saying a buy. So out of the 5, we have 3 which are ruling here, the majority rule. Okay, they are ruling. They're saying it's a buy. So we can just check the rest just to have a strong theory or strong something to rely on. So we're gonna check the rest, which is Facebook. Okay, as you can see, I search Facebook here, and then here's Facebook, and I clicked on it, and then also Facebook in this case was supporting Nasdaq. It's saying it's a buy, and then again we are not checking this. We are focusing on this one up here. This is the one that we are focusing on right now at the moment, right? So it's very important that you know which arrow is focusing on. Okay, so the green arrow here is the one that we're focusing on. As you can see, they are green, which is supporting a buy. If it was red, we're gonna say it's a sell. Okay, I hope you guys understand what I'm really trying to say here. We are not checking on pre-market, we are checking here. Okay, so I hope this is like sinking in now. It's getting inside your heads. You guys are getting it right now. Okay, so the most important in this is Nasdaq. We follow what Nasdaq says, and then we check for the support. If the others are supporting it, then we have a strong theory to say that, okay, we're gonna buy, right? So let's go to the final index, which is April. We search April. We go and search April, As you can see down below, I got Apple Inc. and I clicked on it, and then it gave me also, it is green, guys. As you can see, also Apple is green, which means we have a strong buy. Okay, we have a strong buy now. We have a strong buy. So if they were all, as you can see, all of them are green here. So if they were all red, that means we're having a strong sell. Okay, and I hope you understand this. So I wanna elaborate something. I wanna say something. Okay, so if all five are green, that means we're gonna sell. I mean, we're gonna buy. If all five are red, we're gonna sell. Okay, if three, including Nasdaq, are green, we buy. If three, including Nasdaq, are red, that means we're gonna sell. Okay, so if three, excluding Nasdaq, are green, then we don't trade. If three, excluding Nasdaq, are red, that means we don't trade either. Okay, so that's the strategy itself. So let's go to the last slide, which explains everything. As you can see, if all five are green, we take a buy. If Nasdaq is green and the rest are red, we don't trade. If three are green, including Nasdaq, we buy. If all five are red, we take a sell. If three are red, including Nasdaq, we sell. If Nasdaq is red and the rest are green, we don't trade. Okay? If three are green, excluding Nasdaq, we don't trade. If three are red, excluding Nasdaq, we do not trade. Okay? So sell is a sell one is red, and then for buy, the arrow should be green. Okay? So, but then if it doesn't meet any of these conditions, okay, if we follow this rule, actually, this thing, we have to meet these conditions, and if we won't trade when these conditions are met. Okay, some of this, I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say, but then you have to read this, okay, and then take a screenshot of this and then compare. Okay, it's best to trade with a strategy, because if you don't have a strategy, guys, it's useless. You must have something to rely on. You must have a theory. You must have something to guide you, okay, as a strategy. Okay, so yeah, without wasting of your time, guys, if you like the video, please hit the subscribe button, and then if you like the video, guys, it helps a lot and it helps the channel. Okay, red is for sell and then green is for buy, and then you just have to follow these rules. Okay, follow this